Today we will start exercise 9.3. In this exercise we will use midpoint formula. Midpoint of 2 points will be finding out in this exercise. Question number 1 is find the midpoint of the segment joining the pair of points given in part number A. Points are A and B. Point A having two coordinates, x coordinate 9 and y coordinate is 2. For point B, coordinate x is 7 and coordinate y is 2. So formula for finding the midpoint of these 2 points is equals to r into x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. R mean the midpoint of AB. So midpoint of midpoint of AB is equals to R. Now values of x1 and x2 will be written here. Mention the x1, y1. x1 is 9, y1 is 2. Naming them as x1, y1, x2, y2. They are the coordinates of A and B. So x1 is equals to 9 and x2 is 7 divided by 2. And y1 is 2 when y2 is also 2 divided by 2. Now 7 and 9, 16, 16 by 2 and 4 by 2. 16 by 2 is 8 and 4 by 2 is 2. So midpoint of AB line segment equals to R, which is 8, 2. It is x coordinate of midpoint and this is y coordinate of midpoint R. Now we will solve the further parts according to this midpoint formula. It is very easy. We will solve part A of question number 1, part B and C. D, E and F will be your homework.